Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to actually configure invoices number so that a prefix or a postfix suffix can be added to the invoice code. So let's dive in and see how the orders are looking right now. So as you can see, the number of the order is 009, 008, but what if we want that the order invoice should have GRE in front and then it should be 001 or 009 for that matter? What we can do is we can go to settings, go to shop settings, or rather it should be in checkout settings. Let me check. This is very important because whenever you forget where something is, what you can always do is either you can find it like this, or you can just say order. We can just type whatever is there. So order number prefix we want to type, and it is in shop settings actually. Let me see. Okay, there it is. So in order number prefix, we are just putting in as Greenberry Organics. And in suffix, we'll say 2021 or 22 for that matter. And when we put this, now if somebody was to check out and check out from here, I'm just going ahead and checking out. I'm removing one item. Proceeding with the checkout. And now if I were to go back to my orders, you'll see that this number has got this number has got GBO in front and 2022 at the back. So this is how easy it is to actually configure a prefix and a postfix for order numbers that you're creating. Thank you.